We're going to go on a ride in the elevator, and we're not going to stop the camera.
It's the conclusion of Haley So Random.
Okay, let's go to this one. Would you like to be on YouTube? I will blur out your face because we're kind of recording.
What you guys doing for YouTube?
Random things on every single floor. What you got so far? Every floor. This is our conclusion. We're going up, then we're going down, then we're going up, then we're going down. Good luck. So random.
Alright.
Yep, let's go back down to the lobby.
What are you going to name it?
Haley Productions. Look me up.
Alright, look it up.
Okay. Lobby. Fun. Like it was Wait. That was only 5. I thought it was 15. Close. Okay. They're free. We're going to keep doing this for a while, just saying, because it's a nice slow way down. You like to float? Maybe you'll do the top. See how big that is? Yeah, we went to the top to the bottom and all over it. Okay, stop.